Welcome to my channel. Today's activity, reading activity. Three-letter story. A cat and a rat. So let's listen the audio.
Sam the cat sees a rat. The rat runs. Sam tags the rat. Sam runs. The rat tags Sam. It is fun.
So after listen the audio, you have to answer these questions. First one is, Sam sees a dog, cat or rat. As we have read the story, Sam the cat sees a rat. So answer will be rat. Second question, Sam tags the rat, hat or mat. As we have read the story, Sam tags the rat. So the answer will be rat. Next question is, the rat tags mat, Sam or dog. As we read the story, the rat tags Sam. So the answer will be Sam. I hope you would like the story. Subscribe the channel for more videos of this type. Thank you for watching.